Alright guys, welcome to hopefully another fun unboxing. I have no idea what's in there, but there's a QR code. If you guys want to take a look at that, it is Amazon. How exciting. How exciting indeed. It's one of those fancy packages where I get in trouble when I talk about them. But let's see what's in here. This is sounding like it's going to be epic. So let's see. OMG, this is a lot of stuff. So what do we have here? Hide that real quick. You never saw it. Don't go back in the video and check it out. Wow, guys. Wow, guys. These things are epic. Look at that. And the other day, I received one of these amazing things over here. So they're all part of that same kind of awesome collection. And in the next video, I'm going to open them up so you guys can see exactly how cool.
Likey.